Hi guys, and welcome back to Number 9 Farms. Tonight we're going to be making some Johnsonville brats in the Instapot, and this is the 8-quart Instapot. And I'm going to have the saute button on. And first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to put a little bit of oil in the bottom of your pot, and then you're going to go ahead and throw your brats in. This way you can brown them a little bit. And if you're wondering what's in the bottom of my Instapot, it's where I cooked potatoes last time and they kind of stained it. But it goes away. Even though it's staining stainless steel. So yeah, that'd be nice. So you just want to go ahead and saute these, flipping them. All you're trying to do is brown them, and then we'll once they're browned, I'll be back. That's what you're looking for right there, a little bit of browning. That way when they're done, they'll still have that brown look. 8 more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these out and then recook the other ones and brown those, and then put the onions in and the beer, and then we'll be all set to go. So you need to go ahead now and cancel this because you're done browning the broth. So we're going to go ahead and put in, since it's the 8-quart, we're going to use 2 cans of beer. Now if you want to use your 6-quart, you're going to use 1 can. And that also goes for the 3-quart. So I'm going to pour this beer in. Okay, and I'm gonna pour the other one in and then put the brats in, and they'll be So here's the 2 onions, and I just cut them into quarters and I put them right on top. And now we're gonna put the lid on. Make sure this is all the way back. And now we're gonna push the pressure cook, and I'm going to do 7 minutes. And I'll be back when it's done. The timer just went off, so now we're going to wait 5 minutes, and then we'll do the rest of the release. And I just cut all this lettuce from my little farm downstairs, my little garden under my lights. So all this was grown right inside, and I soak it in the water. First it gets it really crisp again. Then I put it in the little salad spinner that I've had for a really long time. But it's a Tupperware salad spinner. So anyways, we'll wait for the 5 minutes. Now we have the timer up, so we're going to go ahead and put the little towel on it and do the release. And then it takes a while with the 8-quart. I'll be back when the time to open this. I do the release and look. Both dogs show up like they're getting something. Okay guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and take this cover off, and let's see what we have. Looky there. Alrighty, time to be on the safe side. I always check the internal temperature of the brats. Guys, they're all done. I just wanted to add a quick little note that if you didn't have time to come out and do a quick release, it won't matter, because I've been over there working next door at the kitchen, and I come back and it's been an hour and they're fine. So you don't have to worry about doing the quick release, but if you're ready to eat, that's a great thing. Well, thanks for watching and enjoy.